Hey guys, welcome to my mama's delicious recipes. Today we are going to learn an easy way to make chow mein. So let's get started with this amazing recipe. So for this we require chopped carrot, capsicum and cabbage. So first we are going to boil the chow mein. We have added around 5 teaspoons of oil to it so that the chow mein does not stick to each other. Now we are going to add around 2 teaspoons of salt to it and we will allow them to boil. So we can see our chow mein has boiled. So now we are going to transfer it to another place. So we have transferred almost all chow mein to the other place. Now we are going to wash them in running water. And we will strain the water. If you have a strainer, then it's quite easy. Now we are going to heat up a kadai and we are going to add around 5 tablespoons of oil to it and we will allow it to heat up. Next we are going to add chopped onions, garlic and green chilies. So these are all chopped. Next we are going to add the chopped cabbage, capsicum and carrot to it. We'll saute them all. Next we are going to add 2 teaspoons of salt to it. We have mixed all of them together. And now we are going to cover them for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can see the vegetables have become soft. Now we are going to add around 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce to it and around 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We have mixed them all. Next we are going to add the boiled chow mein to it. After adding the chow mein, we are going to mix them all together. So now we are going to use chow mein masala. So here we have used Home-Fill's chow mein masala. So we have added around 3/4 of the packet. That is 75% of the packet. We will mix them all together so that everything binds together. So now we are going to add around 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce again. and around 1.5 teaspoon of salt. We will mix them together. So our chow mein is ready. Now we are going to serve it hot and show you guys how delicious it's looking. So guys, this was our today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can find us there also at @MyMama's Delicious Recipes.